Alright, listen to this song. There are parts of this song that sound like a classic rock song of a particular group that I grew up listening to. And quite a lot of the music of this composer sounds inspired of this same group. Quite a lot of it, to me, it sounds sort of highly inspired. This composer is sort of interesting. Hang on. I don't want to feature the video for this, not actually, just some of the audio. I've got to get it to cue this song though. Yeah, okay, it's this one. Maybe it's this one.
Hello there.
Okay, hang on. Just wait. Wait a minute. I mean, it's sort of obviously a theme between an indoor area and an outdoor area, like a similar themed song. Though it sounds reminiscent of a classic rock group, a particular song of a particular classic rock group. To me, it sounds sort of like somebody